Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to our channel, Beauty in a Minute. Yes, it's me and Suzuki again. And Suzuki had a big haircut this weekend, so he's looking a little bit skinny because all his wool has been cut off. But anyway, today I'm going to do a live unboxing. The Mecca Beauty Loop Level 3 loop boxes came out last Wednesday, and I only just got it yesterday, Sunday, when I went to the mall. So I'm going to do a live unboxing for you today. I have no idea what are in the boxes this year, so we'll find out. So if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, and all my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. So without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. I've got my glasses on so I could see and read the products that are inside this box. So this is the Mecca Level 3 Loop Box for this month, October. So let's do a live unboxing. So there we are. So what have we got actually? I've got this facing you, so I've got to lean over. Shall we start with the little tub here? Oh, Pericone Md. I'm familiar with this brand, though I have not purchased any products. This is Pericone Md. He's a dermatologist, American dermatologist. It's his High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. And this is 7.5 mils. So this is Pericone Md. See if I could open it. Wow, beautiful. This is a beautiful moisturizer. There's quite a scent actually. I am a bit unsure of the scent. His products are not cheap. They can go all the way from $100 to $300. Yeah, I've seen his products at Mecca. I love browsing around the skincare range at Mecca Maxima, and so they've got his product range in there, and yeah, this would be good. I'm going to try this out. Right, the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Body Bath, Brazilian Smoothing Scrub and Mask. To me, this is a body exfoliator, so it's a body scrub. So I'm going to open this and just have a look what's in there. Yep. I've opened the tin foil. So I will do a video on this and just show you. Oh, that didn't go to my cup of tea. Yeah, okay. So it's quite like a lime green. It's a scrub. Let's put this down. Yeah, it's a body scrub. Will be great for the shower. Yeah, it's a body exfoliator. That's what it is. It's got a beautiful scent, beautiful fragrance. I can't really make out what it is, but just beautiful, beautiful fragrance. So I've gone and washed off the scrub, and it's so smooth. My hand actually feels really smooth. So I will do a YouTube video review of that product. It's the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Body Bath, really. And I did make myself a new cup of tea. All right, next item. What have I got in here? Oh, exciting. Kiehl's. Just let me put on my glasses. So this is the Kiehl's 5 mils, powerful strength, line reducing concentrate, 12.5% vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. So this is a moisturizer with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So this would be great. I'm very familiar with Kiehl's. They've got their own store in some malls. I know that Mecca also stock Kiehl's products. I mean, they are a clinical skincare. It's got some great products. I actually haven't ventured into Kiehl's yet, so this will be my first foray into the Kiehl's product. So this will be my first foray into Kiehl's and Pericone Md. So these two clinical skincare company, I haven't got any of their products. I haven't incorporated any of their products into my skincare. So this will be a great introduction, a great foray into these two clinical skincare company. I've heard great things about them. So let's move on. Okay, yes, quite a lot. Oh, let's see, NARS. Climax Extreme Mascara. Okay, the Climax Extreme Mascara, uncensored volume, unbelievable intensity, unparalleled formula. So let's have a look. I know they do have an extreme mascara. I haven't tried it actually, so it's great I'm getting this. So give me a chance to try these products out. Yep, here we are. The NARS Climax Extreme mascara. It's beautiful. If I could open it. Gorgeous. Yep, that's really quite nice. That's beautiful. Yeah, I haven't tried NARS mascara, so this is my first time. So, well, to me, the look box today is great for me because I haven't got this mascara, so it'll be great for me to try this out. I haven't tried any of the Pericone Md products, so this will be fantastic. Kiehl's, this is my first foray into Kiehl's in this little sample here, the Vitamin C Moisturizer. The Sol Janeiro, again, I know they've got a famous Bum Bum cream. My first foray into the Sol Janeiro body products. And I think for this month, for every loop box, you get an entry to win a $1,000 e-gift card from Mecca. So why not? I mean, if I get to win $1,000, that would be fantastic. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.